Both high-density and trellis planting systems are being examined under the Next Gen Resilient Orchards project. At the Carnarvon Research Station, the focus is on trellis planting systems.
We've been examining different methods for combating our environmental pressures here in Carnarvon. Some of those have been installing infrastructure, such as our trellis systems, which we have for the jackfruit, the mangoes, and the persimmons. So our trellis system was designed to withstand cyclones. We have these massive pine posts that you can see behind me that have been treated. They've been put into the ground at a depth of 1,200 millimeters. So we have wires running across, and the trees are being trained and tied to the wires at each level. It's 3 meters between trees and 4 meters between rows. And we were trying to achieve a more high density planting in this particular trial. This trial has 100 trees in total. We have 60 trees on the trellis system and 40 trees off the trellis system. They're all of the same variety, which is Rajang. And the Rajang variety is one of the more popular varieties grown in Australia, particularly in the Northern Territory. And it's got a really good market value. The trellis system trees and the freestanding trees have been an interesting one to compare. We're actually seeing a slightly different branching structure because we've been trying to put the trellis trees in more of a two-dimensional shape, but it's been compounded just by our light intensity and making sure we're not getting that sunburn. So one of the things I'm going to be moving forward with exploring is using other plants to shade and protect the jackfruit when it's at a really early stage in life. What I'm hoping to do is introduce papaya really early on in an orchard. And by doing that, the papaya grows incredibly quickly and it might be able to provide shade. The papaya, in theory, should start producing fruit within 8 to 9 months. So in less than a year of establishing a crop, you may be able to have some cash coming back.